Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat, honey. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
People are telling me I've got good fashion sense when uthi kancane.
Ungathi people. Yisho igama lomuntu oshilo. Ayothi people.
Hayibo, it's two people who said it.
No, the person who said it now, it's one person.
And then there was a witness who said yes.
Uba uthe yes.
Pinda.
Uba uthe you've got a sense of fashion.
Lee.
Okay, but ngifuna usho igama.
Suka. But it's people at the end of the day. Subana mona dlami. Subana. Hi guys, hello. How are you? I'm from CMTV. My name is Lisa, right? It's basically a show where we just ask couples questions about their relationship, just light questions. Would you be willing?
Yes.
You're fine.
You understand, God.
It's just questions about your relationship. Where did you meet? How long have you been together? I'm just collecting data for my show.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to work as well. So you'll be helping me out. Okay, I'll hurry. Just come this side for me, please. Just this side, ne? I'll hurry. I'll make it quick. Okay, so on my left, miss on my right, ne? Please face the camera for me. Come this side, please. Just, yeah, on the side, yeah. Name?
My name is Dumsan.
Dumsani and?
Mando.
Mando, how long have you been with Dumsani?
5 months.
5 months. Still going strong. Hey, come here, Blashisa. Do me, are you still going strong? Relationship, I take.
Yona tekateki but inokutekateka kunabantu abakhuluma izinto kubhebe wami engayi-understand mina. But uma angifonela uthi utshela umshana ukuthi kunomunye ugogo engitshita naye but angikado komini.
Okay.
So mangifika endlini ngitshela ubhebe ukuthi umshana kufike ugogo wathi kunesikhwama sami bengishiye endlini yakhe. Through bengibrother yami mina emfulo. So mangifika ubhebe mangihlangana uthi mina umshana uthi kunogogo lethi isikhwama uthi mina ngitshita naye. Mari lento yangiqaka ukuthi ngithicha kephi ngoba ubheme mangifonela okay maybe it's na 3 days singabonani. Mangibuya kuyena ngitshela ukuthi mina mangifika endlini khona isikhwama sami silethe ugogo engithita naye. Mari lo gogo lona hayi ngoba engithita naye. So sihlangane endaweni ethile nami ngizihambela futhi isikhwama sami ngase ngisibeka endaweni la ahlala khona bengazi ukuthi maybe sikonto esihlanganisa. So umshana nami lona azizwani kahle ngokwempilo.
Okay.
So ngobe sefika ke sethi kubhebi mina ngiyachita ukuchita ngazi ukuthi ngichita kephi. So this one ngithi maybe ubhemi ngandlapha ngitshela ukuthi wangibona kephi nalo gogo ngitshita naye.
Yes.
Understand ukuthi kangichita kephi.
Yeah, so get serious.
Yeah.
Mando, did you hear his explanation? Do you believe him, Galokok?
Angas kodwa khona ngiyazi ukuthi khona umuntu azwana naye.
No, even if it's not Ukok.
Yo, lo gogo lo and understand phela mdala kabi leyasisa. Angazi noma ngithi usisi noma umama. Understand.
What if Galok, she's older and she's taking care of him financially? I'm not saying you're doing it to me.
Ngenzeka cause phela yena uyabona ukuthi leke ngisikhulile vele.
Yeah.
Ishimele vele.
You and they need you know that love from a younger guy.
Yeah.
You Mando.
Benza ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi.
Yes, and they're even willing to provide for the man. Hey, to me.
Yeah.
How are you going to reassure your woman that vele you're not cheating?
Into engathi nje ngiyacabanga uBaby ngeke but angithembe ngoba kakhulukazi abantu besilisa bathembeki.
Oh, I'm glad you said that.
So njengoba ngangithembi nje mari ngoba ayithe nomshana kunogogo lethi sikhwama. Yeah, manje understand logogo but angithethi naye.
Okay, Jonga, you know what you can do? I can help you.
Okay.
I can help you. On this show, we basically make couples switch phones.
Yeah.
So to show Mando that there's no gogo,
Yes.
I should have to check your phone. Mando, if you were to check his phone at least and be reassured that I get gogo, would you be willing?
Hayi, ngikolelo ukuthi khona. Phela lo muntu okukhulunywa ngaye.
If ukhona kaloku Mando.
Bengiphuma kubo lo. Nginomshana engeke ephumile. So ngabona umuntu wesifazana ongilandela and angiqala ukumbona before ngeke ngambona bephuza naye and then ngabuza umshana and then kwenzakalani wathi uze kumalume ngaxakeka.
But they were drinking together nje Mando, they were not doing anything sexual.
Hayi manje impahla lezi beyilethiwe kuthiwa ngezakho singibone nje mina kuplastic ngaxakeka nokuthi bese sizoyifaka iplastic bese kwenze njani.
Yeah.
Because phela umshana ungitshelile.
Okay, I think, but at least check his phone to see if ukhuluma no gogo or not. Uyabo?
Saski.
Awufuna do you want to check his phone?
Angazi. Angazi.
What do you mean you don't know?
Ngcheke.
What about yours? Are you willing to give him your phone so he can check as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, to me.
Yebo.
Are you willing to show your woman your phone to show that a gogo?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Phones, okay, guys. Please take out your phones for me.
Okay.
We'll start, Mando. We'll start with yours, ne? Can I just have your phones? Mando, open it for me. Thank you. Do we go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. Search. Type love you.
Okay. Just love you. No, angiboni lana mina indaba ukuthi khona ugogo lana ori.
Why would you see Gogo on her phone? Uzofuna ntoni Gogo on her phone?
Hayi lethiwa ngithi nang understand ukuthi ugogo efonini yami kanjani. Hayi ngoba nali phone nje hayi angiboni ukuthi khona ugogo ngabo engangena kule phone.
Are you sober, Dumi?
Yes, I'm sober.
You sober?
Yes, I'm sober.
Okay, just come closer for me and face the camera.
Okay.
Face the camera. The camera.
Okay.
Okay, search. Miss you. Siyakhangela kaloku if she's not cheating with another man, if akakujuleli with another man.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
That's why we're typing these words.
Yeah, but see, nginga-check, but ngizoyi-check-a la ngiyiboni.
But kaloku check and finish so that we can go onto your phone.
Yeah, cha khona into engayi-check-a nje ayikho ngoba kahle kahle nje lokhu kucheat ethiwa ngiyakucheat akukho.
But you're checking her phone. You are underground. I'm gonna check her phone.
Yes.
Miss you. Okay. Isa, come closer so you can see.
Okay.
Because, yeah, one.
Yeah.
Is this you?
Yes, it's me.
Okay. Delete. Type. I'm gonna type akekho
Yeah.
to show bana. Okay, there's nothing under akekho.
Yeah.
I'm gonna type outside. We're
Yes.
checking who's fetching your woman.
Mm-hmm.
That's you, must ne?
Yes, it's me.
Okay. What's that? Okay. I'm gonna type Wozane. We're seeing who she might be inviting into her house. That's you. Umizolani mama uyothini kwakhe?
Yo, Maria Aish.
Okay, I'm typing pregnant, ne? Okay, there's nothing under pregnant.
Yes.
Okay. Typing test, we're checking for HIV tests or pregnancy. Okay, there's nothing there. Okay, I'm gonna type morning after pill. Okay, there's nothing. I'm gonna type last night, ne?
Yes.
Which language does she usually speak?
This is the language.
Which language does she usually speak?
Zulu.
Yeah, this is Zulu.
Okay. Ngaphandle. Oh, that's you again. Okay. I want to type in Ngiyabonga to see who's doing her favors. Okay. Mbali is a friend, ne? Mando?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ebusuku. Okay, there's nothing there. Ngiyakuthanda. Yeah, I do me. Your woman is clean. It's you. Thank you, Mando. Open your phone. Are you sober?
Yes, I'm sober.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh, what do you do? Do you drink alcohol? Do you smoke?
Nah, smoking and I'm drinking alcohol.
What do you smoke?
Cigarettes.
Cigarettes only.
Yes, and ganja.
Ganja.
Yeah.
Dlamini, what's ganja?
It's
Oh, uyichayile namhlanje.
yeah, I need the money.
Yeah, I can tell. Open your phone, please.
Okay, I'm opening. Okay, right. My phone is all right.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Mando. Go to his WhatsApp, please, ne? Okay. Search there. Okay, type mama. What language do you speak then? Ilum? Zulu as well, ne? Okay. Mando, what are you finding?
Ngibona mina.
Okay, nice. Okay, delete that. Type babe. Do me. Sibona izinto up. Sibona izinto up. Who did you say babe to when? Besides Mando? Hey. Mando, go into the conversation, go into the chat. Ooh. Sibona izinto up.
Angizale simple boya lapho mina.
Wena usinazo?
Hayi, sinazo. Sinazo, oh, is my cousin.
Your cousin?
Yes.
Go into media, my scat. Let's see the pictures they're sending each other. Hey, usinazo sending you bikini pictures at the beach?
Hayi.
Ukusendela ntoni usinazo?
Hayi, ukuthi let's thomba.
Come closer.
Okay. Umzala wami lo ukuthi indaba ukuthi wayesebishi hayi. Bazi ke.
Uthweni zokuthumela isithombe sebeach, cousin.
Azange ngitshele lokuthi ngisuke ngibe sithumelile kodwa bengazazi ngitshele.
But why would your cousin send you a picture?
Ayi.
Sexy.
I don't know.
Kasasi ungijwayela kabi wena. Ungijwayela kabi wena. Umuntu ojwayela kabi nguwe.
Yeah.
Ujwayela kabi serious. Okusho ukuthi nguyena.
Why you laughing? Uyahlekisa.
Oh, but angihlekisi ukuthi yabona methi ngijwayele lento lena yabona ayibuka lapha efonini angiyazi. Serious.
Oh yes.
But ngeke yabona ubethi ngiyamjitela. Maybe
Angeke lento isefonini yakhe kaba le phone.
Yeah, phone is my phone.
What's this?
Yeah, I see.
You see?
You see in uyahleka. Uyahleka. Wajwayela kabi. Ujwayela kabi. Ujwayela kabi lona. Ujwayela kabi.
Why are you laughing?
No, but I don't understand ukuthi lo gogo lona kahle hayi ngoba ngijida nange impela serious.
But no, this is not Ugogo anymore.
Yeah.
She's older, but
No, this is my cousin. No. Angitshela iqiniso ngempela.
Ukazi ukuthi lo gogo lo usocousin wakhe.
No, ugogo.
Namhlanje
Lo gogo lona hayi ukuthi ngoba mhlawumbe uyilethe impahla endlini ukuthi mhlawumbe ngoba
ekuqaleni wathi umngani wakho manje.
No, baby.
Manje sekukousin.
Waskis baby ngiyaxolisa ne. Ngicela ungixolele.
Unuka yini?
Yeah, but
unangaphi lo sinazo?
Kanisa nogogo.
nginephutha ngiyaqolisa sana.
Unangaphi lo sinazo lo?
Uneminyaka ewu26.
26. So uphi ugogo again?
Ugogo kahle ngathini usemkhuphini wakhe.
khona omunye futhi khona omunye
Sabe phone Dlamini.
Akekho sithando sami.
kahlahle lensanga yakhe yakuhlanyisa
Awu, ngicela ungangi. Ngicolele.
kahlahle lensanga yakhe yakuhlanyisa
Bibi, okay, ngicela ungabi ukuhleka Nkosi yami ngiyaxolisa Bibi ngicela
Xolisani.
For you to cheat.
Sayo wena
No, futhi is a mistake ne.
It's a mistake.
mistake
Ngiyaxolisa.
How Dlamini?
Ngiyaxolisa sithando sami.
Hi, can I please speak to Snazo?
Hey,
Hi.
there's a big problem.
Hello.
yebo someone
Yebo.
Come closer.
so awusho ke inamba yakhe ifunani la inambeni ndoda yami
Ubani ndoda yakho?
Snazo, uyintoni no Dumsani?
No, i-boyfriend yami. Why?
For how long?
2 years.
Ugcine nini ukumbona?
Ubani wena?
Ugcine nini ukumbona Snazo?
Ubani wena sisi?
Udumanto. Intombazana kaDumi.
Oh, hayi sisi. Angikwazi mina kakazi wangitshela ngawe.
Ugcine nini umbona?
Today ekuseni.
Thank you. Today ekuseni sobuchaya nayo insangu uSnazo.
No, hayi bangibona kusini ma.
Khangibona ekuseni. Girl, you've got nothing to say.
unanga umuntu ongidakelwayo lo uyangihlanyela lo
Sibangizange ngimbone sinake.
awuzange umthetho wakhe amangakho into yakho vele or wenziwa insango
No, but baby ngeke uze ungiunderstand.
ungangibizi ngobhebi ngoba uzongihlanyisa ungangibizi ngobhebi kumuntu kepa islam dot
Oh, phambi kwabantu sithando sami.
gogo wakho uyazi ukuthi
Awu,
ukepa islam
askizi baby ngiyaxolisa.
Ungazongijwayela
Ngiyacela
kabi
ungixolele sithando sami.
Xolela ukuthi-
Ungangishaya phambi ngongishaya endlini ungenayo.
Oh wow.
ukushaya manje ngijwayela kabi
Ngiyaqolisa.
Dlamini.
ngijwayela kabi
Ngiyaqolisa baby. Ngiyaqolisa sithando sami.
zokuphinda futhi
Ayizuma
Please give him his phone. Did you give him?
thanda sami
Okay.
Awu, ngiyaqolisa.
Oh, now we are you're laughing, you're not apologizing. So it's fine, you can leave us actually.
Okay.
You can leave us.
Okay.
Leave kaloku bamba. Hamba bhuti.
mnandi
Thank you very much. Mando, I'm so sorry, my scut. Do you need transport?
yes
You need transport, ne? Just stand on the side for me. We'll take you home. I'm so sorry. Sana being cheated on and then umntu uyahleka.
That's why bengimye kusisamshaya.
Dlamini, you need to stop doing that.
No, why yini ehlekayo? Uqhaphaziswa abantu bese.
Also, secondly, you guys are perverts.
Who's present?
You guys need to stop staring at the nudes, Lee included, and you.
Bafethu mina ama-nudes nje ngeke ngenze next. As long aqhamuka ama-nudes mina ngiyabheka.
Men are such perverts, actually. That's why I'm not dating anymore. You guys are
Now,
just...
it is for now. For
Lee, what's your problem? So you came all the way into frame just to look at nudes. I don't care. He's another pervert because he's a man also. Yes, you guys are perverts. I said it. It is actually so annoying. No. It's very annoying.
But we are not.
It's very annoying.
It's what
You
we
are
like.
perverts. You are perverts, period.
It's what we like.
You are perverts.
It's what we
You
like.
are perverts.
No, we're not.
What are you?
We are normal.
No, you perverts.
No, we are not. It's in our nature.
You are,
It's something we cannot take out of us. It's there. It's there. That's how we were created. No matter what you do, sinjena nje.
And it's disgusting.
No, it's not. It's nature.
It's very disgusting. The fact that you guys can't discipline yourself.
ifana nokuthi uthi umuntu uphiswa kuye toilet kumele ayohlala phansi uthi it's not discuss, it's nature, something that they must do. Nathi kuthina
Why aren't I like that?
we are human and women are not the same. Bakhona abanye abayithandayo lezi zinto when you might not like them but bakhona abanye aba.
You guys are disgusting. My name is Lisa Serame. That's an absolute rap from me. Please do follow me on Instagram. Hi, Bo. Lisa Serame _ and absolutely follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame.
Instagram, welcome _Dlamini 88. TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. On Facebook, welcome Dlamini. Danko siyabonga.
Thank you.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sira Mindombi Yase Pebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.